Obamacare. Once called the hope of this nation, has become its outrage. President Obama has sold us a problem, and we have paid for it. Imposing taxation as a consequence to those without health insurance is not just unfair, it is a violation of our basic constitutional rights. Healing does not come to patients by driving a wedge of socialism between them and their doctors, and leaders whose concern lies elsewhere do not heal nations. It is time for change. The only fault of the American people is in having trusted an inexperienced politician to shepherd a country. However, you have a chance to make this right. Dr. Ben Carson is a citizen who still believes in a nation where liberty belongs to every man. His countless hours with patience and timeless patriotism are what we need. Because America is a nation by the people, for the people. It is time to be that again. Vote for a man whose heart belongs to America. Vote for Ben Carson.